Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to save a video on the Outlook portal using Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a video that we may have uploaded to the portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up Google Chrome. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Let's go to OneDrive, wait for that to load. Let's now go to Admin, go to My Files. And now let's navigate to the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this. We should have some content uploaded to the Outlook drive on screen. So now we have video.mp4. What we can do is click on the video via the top right corner, and then download the video, which has now saved to our machine. If I was to, let's just say, click on that video itself, that will now open up on screen, ready for us to view or edit or whatever we want to do with that video. Now let's quit QuickTime Player, go back to the downloads. We can open up the video in Finder, click on this. The downloaded video is on screen. We can now quit Finder. We can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.